So the last slide asks you to stop and think about 3 reasons why you might need to email your teacher. Really important now that you know what that tool is to think about the why. Why would I use this and when would I use this? So let's take a look. One could be an assignment-specific question. So you're working on something and you're just a little stuck, you're not sure, you don't understand the directions. Awesome time to email your teacher. Next one is connect with your teachers on a personal level. Guys, we want to get to know you. We are so excited that you are here, and you might want to send us a quick email asking us something about ourselves. That's awesome. Absent from a live lesson, that's really important. We'll be doing what we call synchronous or live sessions together. And if you know you're going to miss one of those ahead of time, or if you missed one because of whatever's going on, we're going to need to get you that information. So if you could email that teacher, that would be so helpful so they can get you what you need from what you missed. Sometimes, guys, life happens, things come up. If you're going through, something with your family or something, you might not want to have to tell us that during a live session with a bunch of other people. We are here for you. We want to support you, right? We want to make sure you have everything you need to be successful. So let us know if there's something in your life going on that we can help you with. And the last would be any sort of tech issues. So you can't get onto Schoology, you're not able to load certain things or whatever might be happening. Send that teacher an email and we will help you troubleshoot and get you what you need to get back onto that tech tool.